In this guide, I will show you how to set up your Discord bot on a different machine without needing BotMaker for Discord on the machine. This video will not show you how to set up a virtual machine or create a Discord bot with BotMaker for Discord. This video is here purely to show how to set it up on a different machine, run it as a service, and how to uninstall the service. All download links and scripts needed for any step in this video are going to be in the video description. Step 1. Running the bot on a separate machine. First, head over to nodejs.org and download Node.js. After downloading it, install it. Make sure to also tick automatically install the necessary tools. Next, we export the bot. These files are used to run your Discord bot. Keep in mind that when you export your Discord bot, the data saved with safe variables or store user data are not stored in your exported bot. For simplification, I'm exporting the bot on the virtual machine itself, but you can do this step on your computer and transfer the exported bot onto the virtual machine. First, we open a command prompt on the virtual machine. On that command prompt, we direct ourselves over to the path of the bot with cd and then the path of the bot. Afterwards, we run npm install package.json to install all prerequisites needed from the bot to run. Next up, we use the command node bot.js to start the bot. Be sure to be in the correct directory when you're executing this command. You can stop the bot by hitting Ctrl+C on the command prompt. Now we can go over to Discord to see that the bot is online, and we can also execute commands from it to check if it works. As you can see, we have encountered an error associated with the storeddata.json file. This file cannot be manually created and is not created by the bot when running it. Go into your BotMaker for Discord's installation folder, app data, toolkit, and copy the storeddata.json file out of that folder into your bot's app data/toolkit folder. After putting the storeddata.json file inside of the appdata toolkit folder of your bot, you can test your commands again. This time, there is no second error appearing, which means the issue is fixed. You can confirm by going into the appdata toolkit folder and opening the storeddata.json file. Step 2. Running it as a service. For this step, you'll need the service.js script that is linked in the description. First, you will have to change the parameters inside of the script. Right-click, edit, change the name of the service, in this case testbot, then go into your bot's export folder, copy the file path, and paste it into the script. Make sure to add a second backslash to every singular backslash. Next, you save and exit the notepad. Then you drop the service.js script into the bot export folder and open a command prompt. In this, we're gonna do npm install node-windows. After node-windows has been installed, we'll direct ourselves over to our bot's export folder with cd and then the path of the bot. Afterwards, we run node service.js. Next, there will be a couple of administrator prompts that we all hit yes on. This is to create the service on the virtual machine. We can verify that the service has been installed by going into the Services application on your Windows machine. You will see that your Discord bot is online and the service has been installed correctly. How to uninstall the service. First, we head into the Services application on your virtual machine and look for the service. We remember the service name, set it to manual, apply it, and then stop the service. Now, you open a command prompt as an administrator and type in sc delete service name. Then you hit enter. And the service is now deleted. This is also stopping your bot from running. If you want to update your bot, go into your bot's export folder after uninstalling the service, delete daemon and package-log.json, and repeat everything from step 1.2 onwards. If you have any issues, go over to the BotMaker for Discord Discord server and open up a forum post under the support forum. Link in the description.